Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to move images forward and backward in Google Sheets using the built-in drawing tool. Maybe you want your logo to sit nicely above another picture, or perhaps you're putting together a fun collage for a presentation. Whatever your project, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to control which image appears on top and which goes behind with total confidence. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Sheet and head up to the very top left corner. You'll see the Insert tab sitting up there in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on that. Now from the drop-down menu, choose Drawing. This is where all the layering magic happens. Think of it like a virtual canvas inside your spreadsheet where you can control exactly how your images stack up. Once the drawing window pops up, look for that small image icon at the top. It's a little picture symbol. Click on it and you'll be prompted to upload a photo from your computer. Choose a photo you want to use and open it. You'll see it appear right there in your drawing area. Let's keep building our example. Go ahead and upload a second photo. Just repeat the same steps. Click the image icon again, select another photo file and bring it into the drawing. You should now see both of your images on the canvas. If you drag one image so it overlaps the other a bit, you might notice one picture automatically ends up on top, covering part of the one beneath it. This is totally normal. Google automatically layers new images on top as you add them. Now here comes the important part. What if your photo is hiding another image and you want to switch which one appears in the front? Easy, just right-click on the photo that's currently sitting on top, the one you can see most clearly. When you right-click, a menu will appear. Look for the order option. This is the tool that lets you control the layers, kind of like stacking index cards one on top of another and deciding which card you want to see first. If you want that top photo to go behind, select Send to Back. Instantly, it moves behind the other image, and you'll see the previously hidden image come to the front. Now, let's say you did that, but later you want to bring the same photo forward again. Just right-click on the photo that's now at the back, head back down to Order, and this time choose Bring to Front. And there you go, the image pops back to the front of the stack. At this point, make any final tweaks you'd like. Maybe resize or reposition your images so they look just the way you want. Once you're satisfied, look up in the top right corner of the drawing window and click Save and Close. This finalizes your artwork and drops it right into your spreadsheet exactly how you arranged it. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily move images to the front and back in Google Sheets, making your documents look that much more professional and personalized. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Google Workspace tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.